how to delete a YouTube short from your channel. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can delete a YouTube short from your channel. So simply follow the procedure thoroughly. So first of all, you will have to open the YouTube and click on the profile icon for open your channel. So after that, you will have to click on your profile again. So hereby you can see your shorts that you have been posted. So simply click on this manage videos option, and then you will have to click on this three dot just beside the videos you want to remove. So simply click on this three dot, and here you can find the option delete like it is in the last. So simply click on that option, and simply it's a confirmation for deleting your shorts. So simply click on the delete, and here you can see the video has been successfully removed from my YouTube channel. So that's how you can also remove your shorts from your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.